Hello everyone. In this video, I am going to show how to solve this system of equations. Square root of x plus square root of y is equal to 9 and x minus y is equal to 9. Consider this as equation number 1 and this as equation number 2. Now from equation 2 we can write x minus y is equal to 9, or x can be written as square root of x whole square. This square root and square will cancel out and it will remain this x, and this negative of this y, it will be square root of y whole square. Similarly, this square root and this square will cancel, so it will be y is equal to, right side is 9. Or now applying formula, a square minus b square is equal to a plus b times a minus b. We can write left side as square root of x plus square root of y times square root of x minus square root of y is equal to right side 9. Or from equation 1 we have the value of square root of x plus square root of y is equal to 9. So substituting this value here, we can write this as 9 times this square root of x minus square root of y is equal to right side 9. Now divided both side by 9, we will get from left side 9 times square root of x minus square root of y divided by 9 is equal to this 9 divided by 9. Now this 9 and this 9 will cancel out, so it will remain this square root of x minus square root of y is equal to 9 divided by 9, it will be 1. And consider this as equation number 3. Now if we add this equation 1 and equation 3, we can write from equation 1 square root of x plus square root of y is equal to 9, and from equation 3 we have square root of x minus square root of y is equal to 1. If we add these two equations, this square root of y and this negative square root of y will cancel out. Here it will remain square root of x plus square root of x, so it will be 2 times square root of x is equal to 9 plus 1, this is 10. Or divided both side by 2, we will have 2 times square root of x divided by 2 is equal to right side 10 over 2. Or this 2 and this 2 will cancel. Here it will remain square root of x is equal to 10 divided by 2, this is 5. Now taking square to both sides, we will get square root of x whole square is equal to 5 and whole square. Now this square root and this square will cancel, so it will be x is equal to 5 square, so this is 25, and this is the value of x. Now from equation 2 we have x minus y is equal to 9, or if we substitute the value of x is equal to 25 here, we will get 25 minus this y is equal to 9, or taking this 25 to right side, we will get this negative y is equal to this 9 and minus 25, or left side negative y is equal to 9 minus 25, this is negative 16. Now multiplying both sides by negative 1, we will get the value of y is equal to 16. So the value of x is equal to 25 here, and the value of y is equal to 16. So we can write the value of x and y, this is 25 and 16. So this is the solution of our given equation. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.